So, Blyss Mop Soap is basically marketed as a cleaning product designed to make mopping easier while leaving your floors looking clean and fresh. The marketing sounds pretty impressive, but there are a few things I'd keep in mind. The biggest question is whether it actually performs better than regular floor cleaners. A product can smell great and leave a shiny finish, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's removing more dirt or bacteria. I'd also check whether it's suitable for your specific flooring. Different surfaces like hardwood, laminate, tile, and stone can react differently to cleaning products, so using the wrong formula could potentially cause damage. So, is Blyss Mop Soap worth buying? It could be useful if you like the formula and it works well with your floors, but I wouldn't assume it's a miracle cleaner just because of the marketing. Overall, I'd check the ingredients, dilution instructions, floor compatibility, and independent reviews before buying. Sometimes a simple, well-tested floor cleaner can do the same job for less. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.